Hi, Scott Wessex Blades. Quick tip for anybody who's got one of these strap cutters: the blades that it comes with, these square ones, they fit in the slot. I couldn't ever quite get a bog standard Stanley utility blade in, and this one was blunt, and I was trying to sharpen it. And then the time I ordered these on the interweb, it was going to be too long, and they're like £1 each. You know how cheap you can buy Stanley blade, cheap utility blades. So what I've done is I took my time using the tip of the blade in the slot, just cutting it. It's about 2mm difference, the height of the blade, 1.5mm, I think. So this would fit in, but that wouldn't quite. I've worked it in, some sandpaper in, worked it backwards and forwards, freed it up, and now it goes in. It cuts great. So just an idea, once you've used up the 5 blade pack of these, they work out about £1 a shot. Forget that. So now you can just buy a cheap utility pack, 50 for £2 or something, and you can put them in. What I probably will do though is, when I get the blades, I'll get 10 at a time and grind the spikes off, so I might not catch my hand on it, if that makes sense. So they'll be ground off there and there on the grinder in 10s. So when I'm working on it, I ain't got that nasty triangular spike thing sticking out the side. Just an idea. Scott Wessex Blades out with a economy move in future for one of your strap cars. So that cuts great.